Guys, studio pero hotel type dito sa Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. So, tara!
So upon entering guys, 2-burner cooktop, range hood, kitchen cabinets with sink and faucet, and 2-door refrigerator. Maluwag ang hallway papunta sa toilet and bath which is complete na with sanitary fittings and floor-to-ceiling ceramic tiles. Kinaganda dito guys, kasyang-kasya ang king size bed. So parang hotel talaga, and we have balcony na pwede nating lagyan ng chairs and table if you want to have coffee. It also comes with modular closet with glass door and split type air conditioning unit. So kung interesado kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng unit for investment, for rental, for Airbnb, or even for personal use, nag-o-offer si MegaWorld ng mga pre-selling units dito mismo sa loob ng BGC na available for no down payment promo, 0% interest. So kung interesado kayo guys, message nyo lang ako. And that's it. Bye!